Ito na yung mga nakakatakot.
Few moments.
Oh my God! Did you see it?
No.
Oh, no! I just want an explanation for what it is.
Go up more, Katie.
Mga kababalaghan
Well,
mula
living
sa
near
kuha
a
ng mga
solo
kutsilyo.
camper's nightmare right now. Is that a person? What the hell was that? Hi, I'm James LaFleur, and you're watching the Impossible Channel. Welcome aboard. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications on for more videos like this. Today we're going to be taking a look at unexplained and strange videos, camping videos.
Tingnan natin ng mga bidyong ito, mga nakakatakot na video. Samahan niyo akong panoorin to. Tingnan na natin.
Woods. Don't forget to check out my new shorts channel, link is under the description. And if you want to send me strange videos or pictures, thatimpossiblechannel@gmail.com. Are you guys ready? Well, let's go. Not too long ago, mobile phones, television, and big cities didn't exist the way they do today. And people had more time to watch the sky full of stars and wonder about all those things that might just be hiding up there.
It's getting really long.
What the?
How much longer is
It looks like it's coming
and
out.
it looks like it's getting more.
Oh my God! What the man?
The thing is, nowadays, the perfect place and time to watch the sky and stars would be camping deep in the woods. And one would have to ask themselves if, to this day, there isn't exactly many videos or photos of people who went camping and accidentally captured something strange in the sky. And well, there are. And I guess that one of the best videos out there was captured by Homestead How YouTube channel.
Mga
Now,
nakakatakot.
Homestead How YouTube channel is based in Montello, Wisconsin, which is a very small and quiet town with a population of only 1,500 people. I mean, it's really small. And their YouTube channel is focused on a family of 6 who left the city to live and grow on 20 acres of land. And while taking pictures in one fine night, this happened. Check this out.
Last night it was too cloudy. I couldn't see the Milky Way, so I tried to get some of these cool shots of the house. I tried to do a time lapse where I set the camera up, and this is 700 pictures of our house. Look, here's a close up. Can you see it on there?
Show it on the screen. Kind of, not really.
I'll show it on the screen. You can see the stars, and you can see the clouds, and the clouds are moving. And then I combine the 700 pictures together to make it.
Homestead How explains how he was trying to take pictures of the Milky Way on somewhat a cloudy day, when all of a sudden he captured something he couldn't explain. And this is what he caught on camera.
I just want an explanation for what it is.
Go up more, Katie.
This is the original photo out of my camera.
Zoom in. Go to no.
Look, does that look like an airplane to you?
No, it looks
A
like
helicopter?
a light.
A drone?
It is like a red
It's not my
light.
drone.
It looks like
Okay,
a light
watch.
where a stick would
Watch.
be
Here's
like
where it
a
gets
post
scarier.
light.
Watch this. Watch.
Oh.
Look at the light coming off.
Homestead How was able to take 4 or 5 pictures of this unknown and mysterious object. The thing is, when this video was first uploaded to YouTube, it amassed millions of views and thousands of comments, and there was a very strong debate amongst internet users whether this is a helicopter or an airplane in a long exposure photograph, or if this is indeed a mysterious object caught on camera. I myself at first thought it could be a helicopter or an airplane. This is until I saw the rest of the video where he zooms in the object and it becomes quite clear that this might actually be something entirely different. Check this out.
The first one I think was this one has all the red on it.
You know, the only thing I'm scared of now, because all the stories that I've seen of like aliens coming into people's bed and they can't move, like sleep paralysis. I'm terrified. I don't want that.
Okay, here we go. We're cropping into this is the clearest one. There. That's a helicopter?
That's what it
Is that a helicopter?
Whatever it is that Homestead Howell captured on camera, it does not look like a helicopter or an airplane at all. And even if this were to be a long exposure picture, I don't know if a helicopter would actually look like this, but I'm not too sure. I want to know your thoughts. What do you really think Homestead Howell captured on camera? Could it just be a helicopter or an airplane in a long exposure photograph? Or could it be something else entirely? What's your take? In today's world, living an urban life can be very much stressful, and to get away from this stress, sometimes people choose different kinds of activities during the weekend, one of them being camping. Just so you have an idea, 50 million people choose to go camping every year just in the US alone. That's a lot of people. And I guess that most people go camping because they want to get away from this stressful life in search for a peaceful and quiet moment. But sometimes things aren't that peaceful and quiet in the middle of the woods.
That was a screaming. Or like a woman or something. That was a female screaming.
Sometimes strange and mysterious things occur, and very rarely they are captured on camera. This is sort of what happened with Caden and a couple of friends when they decided to go camping in Arizona. Now Caden has about 127,000 followers, and his videos are mainly focused on daily vlog type videos. None of them are actually focused on strange or mysterious things. However, in this specific video, Caden went camping with a couple of friends and found himself face to face with a very strange situation. From what I understand, they had just set up camp when they started hearing a strange noise, and this is what they caught on camera.
That was a screaming. Or like a woman or something. That was a female screaming. Phil? Please, please, please. No, 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 no. Oh my God, Phil.
After posting part 1 of this video, it amassed millions of views and thousands of comments, and most internet users were divided. While some believe that this could be a mountain lion, which is sort of a common thing when you're out in the woods, some believe that this could actually be a skinwalker type of creature or something like that. This is until he posted a part 2 of his camping experience, and things started to get stranger and stranger, and this is what happens next.
Phil, that sounds like some scary movie. In the middle of the
the biggest logger ever, dude.
Go first.
That's fine. Dude, we're in the middle of nowhere. There's
Dude, that sounds like some haunted. Dude. What happened to the other steel target?
After approaching the area where they believe the mysterious screams are coming from, they start noticing strange things all around them. They also notice a couple of bottles here and there. This is when something even creepier happens, and they caught it all on camera.
Comment faire en sorte qu'elle te désire, mais sans être insistant. Si tu suis ces 5 conseils à la lettre, tu vas devenir irrésistible à ses yeux.
One right there on the ground. It's on the ground.
Guess what? That right there.
What the is that?
Dude, that's not. No.
Please tell me you guys are me. Oh! No, 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 no!
Did you get to see it? Well, neither did I, nor Caden and his friends. It was actually one of his subscribers who pointed out something strange. If we brighten up the video, we can actually see what appears to be some sort of humanoid figure lurking from behind one of the trees. It appears that they were not all alone, after all. Now, some internet users left comments saying that it could be a barn owl, while others state this could actually be a cryptid or an unknown creature of some sort, mostly because of the way it moves. Now, I'm not pretty sure what's going on here, but I know that if we take everything in this video into consideration, it all points out that there's something far more sinister going on, and I'm not sure why or what. In your opinion, do you think that this video could be a prank of some sort, or is it the real deal? Now, I don't know about you, but going camping all alone late at night in the woods isn't exactly the best of idea, unless, of course, you are a very experienced camper. There are many things that can happen, from getting lost in the woods to coming face to face with a bad-intentioned human being. The list goes on. The thing is, there are a number of people out there who would include another thing to this list, and that would be coming face to face with Sasquatch or Bigfoot type creatures. All over the world, there are thousands of supposed encounters with this tall humanoid being that people call Sasquatch or Bigfoot. And to be honest, there is little to no proof of it. But the little proof that there is enough for us to scratch our heads and keep us awake at night.
Do you hear that?
Oh my God, no. That.
In this video, for instance, originally uploaded by the Music Memory Lane on YouTube, a channel that does not exist anymore, Lucas and Jerome spot what appears to be Bigfoot just behind one of the trees. Moments before they can actually get closer to it, something happens and they run.
Hey! Kill! Hey! Hey!
Very strange noise. Seems to be coming from some kind of an animal. Now, Chris Dickinson lives in Oklahoma and runs the YouTube channel known as Sooner Sasquatch. And he is in constant search for what he calls the Sasquatch people. And mostly all of his videos are him in the middle of the woods camping in search for evidence of the existence of these creatures. And I would say that in some videos, Chris was able to capture some compelling evidence. In this specific video that we're about to watch, Chris was annoyed by something he heard late at night in his campsite. He leaves the campsite for just a brief moment to check the surroundings. And this is what happens.
There's something over here. It smells like something. God, it stinks. I'm by myself. In pitch dark. I have no light source. All I have is this night vision camera that I'm trying out.
Chris left his tent with a night vision camera and a not so good flashlight because he heard some sort of commotion happening just next to him. When he reached this specific place, he says that he feels this awful smell. Now at this specific moment, if I were Chris, I would have left this place and probably gone home. The thing is, Chris stayed there in hopes of capturing something on camera. But what happens next will chill you to the bone.
As I was walking out, there was some commotion over here. So I came over here and it smells like a freaking animal. Whoa, the hell was that?
Did you see that? What appears to be a humanoid figure can be seen lurking and watching Chris silently, just behind one of the trees. And if you watch closely, you can actually see a breath of warm air escaping the creature's face in the cold night. Whatever's going on here, Chris realizes that he's not alone and that he's being watched. and he gets out of there as fast as possible. After watching this video countless times, I still can't make out exactly what is it that I'm looking at. All I know is that for a brief moment it looks as if it's a head with two dark eyes. Whatever's going on here, it could be Sasquatch or maybe something else. Whatever this thing is, it gives me the chills and I don't even know why. One of Chris' subscribers by the name of Earth Traveler left a comment saying that at 2 minutes and 7 seconds, something is peering out through the branches, then moves the branches aside and moves back, and then appears out again, and that he sees something human-shaped. Alabama were having a really good time and enjoying their moment.
All right, boys.